Hello, welcome back with new video of photo analysis, and today we'll do back view. So first of all we need to find out the pit of the neck. In the back view you need to just identify where it should be in the front. So just mark a point and draw a straight line from that. As we have done in the previous videos, mark the shoulder level. Bust would not be required in the back view. Mark the waist level, hip level and crotch level. These three would be parallel. Now we'll mark the center of the back. You could be able to identify with the garments also. If the garments are like this, if you could able to find out the center of the garment. This one I have taken the blue color to show you better. Marking the hip curve.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Now I'll just give the shape and trace it to the waist and from waist to hip curve. Now from the shoulder to neck. In the back you could see like the neck is overlapping the front neck. Back neck is overlapping. So we'll complete the head later. And just trace the hands and the legs. So it's the easiest part. You just need to draw the lines around the figure, the body parts, and complete the lines. We'll just quickly do this.
Say what you wanna say to me now.
Now we could start with the head, making the circle.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up
The head and the smaller circle
Say
to the
what
chin.
you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me
As it is shown,
fake to me now. I wanna wake up
just
with you
the side
in
view
the morning.
face.
Turn this
The
room, turn it
lines,
to an
eye level will
ocean. Let me
connect with
float
the
around.
starting with the ear, nose level
Eyes
will connect with
closed,
the
eyes
end of the ear,
closed, like we're dreaming
lower
even
part of
when
the
we're
ear,
not.
and then the lip line
You
and
got a whole other
and
meaning,
chin.
I don't know
So I'm changing the color to mark the
just
center
know how it feels when we're
of
falling.
the hands and legs,
Say what you wanna say to me now.
marking the dot
I
at the
wanna
joints.
wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me
That
now.
helps me to find out the
Wake up with you in the
position
morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
or track the movement of the body,
You in the morning.
taking the legs line from the center of the hip
I wanna wake
towards
up
the leg.
with you in the morning. We can
Knee level, you could see it's slightly diagonal, not the same level, and ankle level.
you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't
Slightly diagonal. Very slight.
We just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
Now let's convert this figure on the sheet. I have taken the image
Fake to me now.
and already marked the lines as you can see. Starting with the shoulder line, I'll just mark the shoulder level. Now you could see it's a angled waistline, hip line and crotch level. Marked all three lines. Now I will try to make this shape of center back line, which is mostly on the left of the balance line and going upward from the shoulder level. And now I'll try to give this curve. That can be done later too, as per your wish. We have to decide what width should the waist have, and same for the shoulders. We need to decide the width when we are done with the center lines, or the center back line, or the center front exactly in front. Now as the knee level has this angle, you could see that green line is parallel to the balance line, almost parallel. So I will draw this line, center line of the right leg as parallel. See? It's same. And the second leg is also has some distance from the balance line, so that is why it is important that we have to maintain the same distance in this one also. Level and anchor at this mark. The hands starting it. We can always see if the lines are not correct in the first assumption, then we can always change our lines if we feel like it. Marking the levels for neck and shoulder, connecting the neck. It's overlapping, so I'm trying to make it similar in the figure. As you can see, the circle is in the half, or you can say in the mid of the balance line. The both halves are equally divided with that balance line. So the circle is in half. So always take, every time on, and always I told you to do not neglect the balance line which is in the red color, because that always works as a guideline. You should be always noticing, always taking the reference of distance from the balance line. That helps a lot. So yeah, I'm just completing the face. Fleshing up the hands. Later we will do legs. Keep watching.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an
Yeah, our figure is almost done. I hope you enjoyed the process and you have learned something. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with new videos soon. Bye.